Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, paano nga ba kumita ng pera dito sa Taiko airdrop? Well, napakaraming variations actually na pwede nating pagkikitaan dito sa Taiko airdrop. Okay? So, first and foremost, yung kailangan mo nating gawin dito is magko-connect tayo ng wallet. It's either crypto-based or bank-based wallet. Hindi talaga nagmamatter yun as long as may crypto-based ka. But majority sa mga yung talagang kumikita dito is yung crypto-based talaga, kasi mostly crypto-based talaga yung mapapa-reap ng benefits. Okay? So, paano nga ba mag-connect ng wallet? Well, first and foremost, kailangan mo magko-connect here. As you can see, ito yung mga wallets natin, Coinbase, MetaMask, lahat ay crypto-based, but pwede ka namang gumamit ng bank-based wallets. But ngayon, since ito yung meron ako, MetaMask, I highly suggest na pag meron kayong crypto-based, grab nyo na, kasi ito talaga yung pinaka mas mataas ng income rating when it comes to the Taiko airdrop. Okay, so nagre-request lang tayo ng connection kay MetaMask. So, ang ginagawa ko kasi guys is from MetaMask, so from Taiko airdrop to MetaMask. So, click lang natin si agree dito. Continue new wallet or import an existing wallet. Ang ginagawa ko kasi, ginagawa ko bilang substitute wallet itong si MetaMask for my Binance naman. So, bali, yan yung gagamitin natin. So, in here on the Mint, absolutely free siya. So that TKO airdrop is here. Click mo lang si Mint and yun, may mga wallet ka. Connect ko yung second wallet ko, the Coinbase. Again, if wala kayong wallet, I highly suggest mag-sign up muna kayo for wallets online. Free naman to sila if that's what you want. And basically, magagamit mo siya not just on crypto but also on the e-commerce platforms as well, including TikTok Shop, Shopify, Amazon. So napakaraming benefits itong si Taiko airdrop. So advantage, so it gives you a cutting edge advantage compared doon sa mga hindi gumagamit nito. And why is that? Well, it nagsiserve siya as third degree leverage as a connector bilang sa Coinbase wallet mo and sa whatever platform it is na ginagamit mo, like Binance, if you're crypto based, or if pa gano'n naman sa e-commerce ka naman, yun yung mismong site mo na yon. Okay, so siya yung mismong nagko-connect dyan. So dito ka talaga kikita sa pagko-connect ng wallet dito sa Taiko airdrop. Kasi minsan yung mga Coinbase wallet like ganito, hindi ko to mako-connect directly sa e-commerce platform ko, like TikTok Shop, hindi ko siya mako-connect. So yan, nagsisilbi siyang bridge connector kung tawagin. So that is why very beneficial to have something like this. Nagre-request lang siya ng connection now. Open the Coinbase wallet browser, an extension. So wait lang natin siya guys. Medyo matagal-tagal talaga tong ano na to. Again, just sign up for a wallet. Ayan na. Okay. So pwede ka mag-switch ng network. Pwede ka rin mag-connect ng non-crypto based basically. Okay? So ito yung mga features at mga yung pwede mong mako-connect sa kanya. Pwede ka naman mag-subscribe. Ito yung basically main link ng wallet mo, ng Taiko airdrop. Okay, so switch tayo sa Mint. Back muna tayo dito. So napakaraming pwede mong ma-connect dito, like for example Ethereum, So sino mang gumagamit ng Ethereum dyan, o so as you see, Optimism Bridge, Superchain Bridges. So talagang dito kakikita from wallet to wallet. Let's say for example, kung gusto mo mag-convert ng crypto based currency into GCash, pwede rin. Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, so Trust Wallet, yan. So yan yung pwede mong pipilian dito as a third party connector ng whatever platform it is na ginagamit mo. Ito, retro funding, pwede kang mag-sign in dito as a wallet na pwede mo makonect doon sa mismong Taiko airdrop. Okay, so click lang dito, sign in. May link dito. If you're using your phone, click mo lang yan. Or kung wala ka pang account, need to create an account, just click there. So this is just sample wallet lang na pwede nyong pagpipilian, and I'm just giving you guys advice na kung paano talaga pagkikitaan itong si Taiko airdrop. Okay, so ganyan lang kasimple. May mga voting app features din tayo dito kay retro funding. So dito tayo kay retro funding, kung gusto natin siyang i-connect doon kay Taiko, edi maggawa tayo ng account. Pwede rin tayong magko-connect ng wallet dito. So retroactive public goods funding, so pwede din ito. Okay, pwede ka mag-explore ng ideas o mag-join, freely join. Yan yung maganda dito. Let's find our way back. Balik na ako dito saglit. Alright, so bakit ko pinapakita itong platform na ito? Well, when it comes to earning from CryptoBase and finding a way to connect the two from your other platforms out there like websites, napaka-optimal pag marami kang interconnected wallets na pagpipilian. So ayan, suggest ko lang to guys, si Optimism Docs din na i-connect doon kay Taiko airdrop. Okay, at isa din to si Ethereum. Ito si Ethereum guys, actually dual based. It's either crypto based, or it's either you could also use, ito yung link, pag gusto mo i-copy yung link, pwede mo siya click sa Binance. Ito kasing si Ethereum, okay, pwedeng bank to bank, pwede ding wallet based, crypto wallet based, pwede ding normal wallet based lang. So yan, yung pinakita ko sa inyo just now, yun yung mga widely used na crypto based na pwede pagkikitaan sa mga wallet nyo. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.